Wait, am I supposed to be paying taxes throughout the year? Hey, it's Erin, and that is our question of the day today. So if you're a business owner and you are making money in your business, are you supposed to be sending some of that in on a regular basis to the IRS? If no one is automatically taking taxes out of your income, then there's a very good chance that the answer to that question is yes. And this is where estimated quarterly taxes come in. What is that? What does that mean? Well, essentially it means the US tax system works on something called a pay-as-you-go system, which means basically in layman's terms that the IRS doesn't want to wait until April to get paid. If you're a W-2 employee, your employer handles that for you. Taxes come out of every paycheck, right? Easy. But if you're self-employed, a business owner, a contractor, essentially if you receive a 1099 and you're earning money where taxes aren't automatically withheld for you, then you're responsible for sending in some payments through the year. Not once, not twice, 4 times. So who actually needs to pay? Here's the simple rule straight from the IRS. If you expect to owe over $1,000 at tax time on your federal return, then you need to be making estimated quarterly payments. In normal people terms, if you're making a profit and nobody's withholding taxes for you, you probably need to be paying quarterly taxes. So that includes sole proprietors, single member LLCs, gig workers, rental property owners, again, anyone with an income that doesn't have withholding. Basically, if you're getting paid through the year and Uncle Sam isn't already taking his cut, he wants you to send it in. The IRS splits these into 4 chunks: April 15th, June 15th, September 15th, and January 15th of the following year. Miss them, and you may owe penalties and interest on that. That stinks. And here's the frustrating part. Even if you pay everything in April, the IRS again can penalize you for not paying through the year. Yes, it's annoying. And no, we didn't make the rules. So let's talk about why this matters, the real talk. We see this all the time. Business owners have a great year, cash is flowing, life is good, April rolls around and somebody tells you suddenly that you owe $18,000 and you had no idea. Estimated payments are about avoiding surprise tax bills, avoiding penalties, managing your cash flow properly, and sleeping better at night. It's not about overpaying the IRS, it's about staying ahead of the game, unfortunately. If you are a business owner and you're not sure whether you should be paying quarterly taxes, that is not a sign that you're behind, it's just a sign that you need strategy. At Cherokee CPA and Trade Firm, this is exactly what we help with. It's not just bookkeeping, it's about projections, planning, and making sure that you're not guessing when it comes to taxes, because guessing and the IRS are not a combination that we recommend. If you have questions, book a discovery call. Let's make sure you're paying what you should. Not more, not less, definitely not late.